demo video for Mercedes S-Class 2014 to 2019. In this video, we will show you a video in motion for the NTG5 and up radios, S-Class, W222, and S-Class Coupe. Enjoy this video. All products are 100% made in the USA. Please support American jobs, buy American products, support your homeland. This is disassembly of Mercedes S-Class 2014 to 2018 Mercedes W222. First step. In step 1, you need to remove this panel. It just comes out, so you can pull it with your hands and the panel will just come off. And after the panel comes out, you will disconnect the connectors and start accessing the screws to remove this panel. So the entire center console is going to come out to access the radio. It's very easy. There's nothing holding it in place, so we're going to show you how to remove the whole thing and get access to all the connectors. In the next step, remove this. This comes out and you can disconnect this connector. Do everything with ignition off, not to trip the airbag light. Next step, pull out this panel. It just comes out, so basically you pull on it and it's going to come out. Remove it. Once you remove the bottom panel, remove 2 screws. These are the 2 screws you need to remove. And you're done with the back. So in the back you just have 2 screws. Now we're going to move to the front and we're going to remove 2 screws below the cup holder. Inside, remove the cover and you will find 2 screws. And again, same, using same Torx T30, remove the screws. After you unscrew the screws, you can simply remove the panel. It goes up and you can push it back. On the bottom, there's a connector that you want to disconnect, and then you can slide the whole panel back to access the radio. And don't forget to remove the trim panel, but it's just going to come out with the panel, but you can remove it. That's the CD player trim panel, but it's just going to come out with the panel anyway. And so this whole panel just slides out to the front, and you get access to the radio, so you can remove the radio. So you pull it back, and then you got access to these 2 screws, and the radio comes out. And basically, it's easy. So you got 2 screws in the back, 2 screws inside the cup holder, 2 screws here, and you get access to the radio. Unplug the radio, plug in the plug-and-play connector, and proceed to the rest of the installation. Once you have the radio out, you will access this kind of connector, unplug it. You're going to take the factory connector, which looks identical to this, and plug it into here. And then this connector, you're going to plug in back into the radio. And you're going to install the module into this T-harness. Now, one thing to remember, it's all plug and play, except over here you're going to find fiber optic and a factory connector. You're going to press this tab up, release the fiber optic from the factory connector, install the fiber optic in here, plug this all into the radio, and then factory connector is going to go in here. So the only thing you need to move is the fiber optic, and it's an enclosure, it's an entire enclosure, just slides out and you slide it in. You release this tab and the fiber optic piece is going to slide out, and once you're done, you're going to put it into the radio. So it takes approximately 10 seconds to switch it over because it's a enclosure, self-contained enclosure that's just going to go in here. And then proceed to testing of everything. Okay, so once you install the interface, switch to DVD, and you're going to have the movie playing on the screen. Typically when you put it in drive, the video would shut off, but in this case the video stays on. But once you start driving over 5 miles an hour, the video will turn off. You have the phone mute button. So once you start driving, you see the video shuts off. Press and hold for 3 seconds and the video will be re-enabled, and you can continue to watch your video while the car is in drive. And that's it. After you have tested everything, reassemble the vehicle back together. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions, get back to us, email, call us. We're available via all social media sites. Thank you for watching.
Please click logo on the left hand side, the round logo, to subscribe. Subscription works on tablet, mobile phone and desktops. If you want to check out our other videos, please click the video on the right hand side. Please also leave a comment and like our video. Thank you.